Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your Kia Forte key fob. It's a simple process that takes just a few minutes. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin, and a new CR 2032 3-volt coin battery. Having these items ready will make the replacement smooth and easy. Let's get started and restore full functionality to your key fob. Now let's open your key fob. First, extend the physical key if your fob has one. Look for a small slot or indentation, usually near where the key ring attaches. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver or a coin into this slot. With a gentle twist, you can pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. It's a CR 2032 3-volt coin battery. Pay attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up, usually the positive side with text. Use your screwdriver to gently push or pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the housing, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear and feel them click securely into place. Ensure there are no gaps. Once reassembled, it's time to test it out. Try locking and unlocking your vehicle's doors to confirm the new battery is working correctly. Your key fob should now be fully functional again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.